What's this that came into the supper club? The big bag of junk stuff that's gonna race. Let's go racing!
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
Oh, this is gonna be crazy! Woo, baby! Oh, the Tomica cop car! Nice! Let's see how it goes. Who are we gonna pick to go against? Oh, what do you think? The Cyclops. This could be interesting. Ready, set, go! Takes a spill. He is damaged upside down on his roof. Hopefully he's getting out. Oh, the poor guy took a spill like no tomorrow. But the Cyclops, that didn't do too bad. Cause I know he's got whack-a-jack wheels. So let's see what happens. Oh, that was a smoother ride. Nice job, Tomica. Good job. A Cyclops. Oh, let's do the water cannon guy. Oh, against this one. Ready, set, go. Oh, did you see that? It's like, they keep going. That was a pretty good race. Let's see what we got going here. One more? Yeah, one more. Oh, that was good. What about the boat rescue guy? Yeah, let's see. In the Ace Hardware truck. Oh, this could be interesting. They both seem to be doing okay. In the gate, go! Oh, look at Ace's the place! Man, they must have been souping up their car with all their parts there. Cutting it out, making it lightweight. Who knows what they did? Let's do it again. Oh. Off-roading, he's going to the creek. Let's do Burger King. Oh, what do you think Burger King will do? Who should we race Burger King against? Oh, we kind of raced all those guys. Is there one that we haven't raced yet that you'd love to see race? The Mustang. Oh, let's race the Mustang. Ready, set, go! Oh, Burger King is king of the track! That is pretty sweet. Let's do it again. Oh, man, that is nice. What about this plastic, cheap little no-name lightweight police van? Against this weirdo one, but this one's got spinning wheels in the back, so I don't know if it's gonna do anything. Ready? Go! Oh, look! It does better than some of the Matchbox and Hot Wheels. Let's do that one again! Who knew they were good rollers? Oh, but man, if there was a bump in the end, this guy would lose it. Go! Yeah! Let's do the three-wheel motorcycle with only two wheels. See what happens. We'll do wheelless front. Oh, and against the little micro Mad Bird thing. Ready, set, go! Oh! Didn't go far. Let's turn him around and see what happens. So he's got wheels forward and not dragging against the little mini bird. Now that ball, that got a ball underneath that's super heavy. Go! Oh! He crashed. He crashed. Hey, if they don't have wheels, it's still okay to race them. Look at all these guys ready to go here at the Supper Club. Nice. How about this no-name fire truck? He had some pretty good luck, and we'll go against this. He's a no-name but claimed, off-brand. Oh, you see that? He spins out right from the beginning. Let's do it again. Oh, this guy, he spun slowly. Try and get him straight on the track. Oh, look at that. These no-names are rollers. Who would have known unless you raced them? Oh, let's do them against a little police van. See what happens there. Police van, fire truck. Oh, that was equal, almost even. Nice. How about this airport buggy? And Transformers. What do you think's gonna happen? I don't know. Oh, Transformers stayed way back. He must have been transforming or something. Let's try it again. Oh, if it's got wheels, we gotta race it, right? He didn't even make it through the gate there. That's okay. Look at this monster truck. Oh, going over both rails. But he doesn't fit in the gate, so you gotta just start him in the back here. See that? One in each lane. Oh, Scooby-Doo, where are you? Remember this? Oh, ready? We are gonna load up some cars here and race them. Oh, and then we're gonna add some more cars and race those. Oh, and then we're gonna add some more cars and race those. Gotta back up. We need something big and heavy to plow those babies off. Oh, let's get this big truck and the lineman truck. Oh no, wait, he didn't go too far. The pink one did though. If we could get it at the gate. Ready? Go! Oh, slid and crashed. Pick one of these up here. Oh. Ready? Oh, they're just crashing and wedging. But they're starting to push through. Let's see what we can do. Needs more force to get them flying off. Okay, ready? This guy, he took a hit. We're gonna need something heavy here. How about a truck? Because he's half on the track. He's gonna have to get knocked out of the way. And this Mustang. Ready, set, go! Oh! He just wedged in. That's no good. Okay. 40 something. There's no way bashing through this. We're gonna have to try something different. Look what I put up next. The John Deere hauling a tractor and the flatbed transporter hauling a Cadillac. Oh, we might have to try and race this a couple times. Ready, set, go! Oh! It kind of flipped and flopped. But man, that big rig boy, he kept it on. A little bit off the track, but that's okay. Let's do it again. Oh, this John Deere. Look at that front end on it. It is so it can get through the mud, but it also gets through our starting gate. So we gotta set them up in the back axles. It catches the back axles. And this one, the same thing. Catching the back axles. And it's over the edge. Make sure he's straight. Let's see what we can do here. Go! Oh! The tractor didn't make it far at all. He wedged right down here next to Scooby-Doo. Oh, but the John Deere driver, man, safe as can be. All he has to do is tie down that load, and he's good to go. We switch lanes. Ready? Set? Go! Oh! Look at that! He went straight when the road curved. And this guy never got out of the gate. Let's try again. Oh, nothing. There he goes! Right past him. Okay. We need to find some more semis to race. Yeah, and when I get a bigger space, because this is about all the space I got. We're gonna have a longer track, but there might be a while. Stick in for the quarter-mile race, and it'll be good. Look at all these cars, all from one sale. Is that nuts? And there's even some more. Look at this, zombie, it might work this way. Oh, it does, nice. Let's do it again. Get them up over on the actual pin that you push down and push at the back. Oh, that worked good. I'm digging that. I love the monster trucks. How about you? Here we go, the school bus. Same thing. Oh yeah, coming off the track, gonna run over some guys and crush them all. Oh, whoa, it is crazy crashing. Here's a school bus from the top. Oh, did you see that wiggle? Man, that is cool. This guy is loose as a goose. Right before Thanksgiving he is. Oh. Yeah, that is cool. Yep, driving school. What do you think? Disaster in the making? Let's see. Front wheels to nothing. Let's give it a try. Go! Oh, he rolled. Poor tractor. Let's do it again. Oh, this guy is big and heavy, like a Chevy. Okay, let's see if we can get this one in action. Ready, set, go! Oh, he's in action, all right. Traction. Let's try that again. Oh, he didn't make it. Kids, be careful with your cars and make sure they can make it down the track. Don't hurt them. Oh, let's race some of these again. I like this one. Okay, what else? Oh, this one. Ready, set, go! Oh, crash a bank. But not a good crash. Oh, what's this? Yeah! Oh, that was a good race. Let's race this no name. What do you think? Cool looking? You think the moon buggy will fit? No, but we're gonna try and race anyway. Oh, he stopped and he kept going. Oh, let's do that one again. I'm surprised that there's no names racers. Oh, let's get this little angry bird in there. Oh, left him in the dust. Oh, the Tomica car. Yeah, against the no name. Ready? Go! Tomica wins! Yeah! Because the weight, I think, behind it. I'm guessing these won't race good unless they have a whack-a-jack-a-lack-attack wheel. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Tomica up on the rail. He saved it by the skin of his teeth. Sweet! What? Models of yesteryear? It looks like he might fit on the track. Oh, just barely. Oh no, this is a disaster. Ready? Go! Oh! He did! Oh! Don't race your models of yesteryear. They don't make it down the track. What do we race now? Who knows? This guy, I'm declaring the winner. Awesome. So cool. That is the guy, the quarter-mile champion of all these 100 cars. Oh, come on, it was a big bag full of cars. Oh, so cool. Thanks for coming in to the Toy Car Case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. I know you're a Toy Car Case guy out there.
It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out.
Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.